channel. Today's video is unboxing the Look Fantastic January 2023 box. So this is the first box of the year. I would like to give you a little insight of what Look Fantastic is beside this month's box. So without further ado, if you want to see what's inside this month's box, then please keep watching. First of all, for those of you who don't know about Look Fantastic is a beauty website which you can purchase makeup, skincare, hair care, all sorts of gift sets from there as well. You can also have the subscription of the beauty box to deliver at your door every month. Now, I personally love them. Sometimes you can get good boxes, sometimes you can get crap boxes. It's not them personally, it's just what's inside them. I have got so many products that I've never used from the boxes. I do subscribe to the glossy box as well, and the glossy box is the same situation as the Look Fantastic as well, which I'm still waiting for this month's glossy box, so then I can show you about that. But everything you need to know about the subscription service of Look Fantastic beauty boxes will be in the description box below. So if you are subscribed to the beauty boxes, this is what you receive every month to your door. Now, every box is completely different. You get different products in each month, you get a different design of box as well, and inside the lid you get like nice little quotes as well. So this is like a light lilac kind of beauty box. Now, I've done the way I've kind of unboxed it is different style, so you guys need to let me know of how you liked me to style it. But inside this lid this month, it's got a little quote and it says, "We want you to feel inspired." So it's beautiful. So you open up the tissue, and without trying to tip all the products out, I will show you one by one, but this is what the products look like. Look at them all. So the first things first, inside these boxes, they used to do like a little edit booklet just to show you what all the products are, how much they are, etc. But now they do these little cards like glossy boxes. So this is called a Fresh Start box, and if you scan this code, it will tell you everything you need to know about the products and everything else. It says, "Look Fantastic beauty box, read this month's beauty magazine to get inspired by your latest products, tips and tricks." So I will leave that there just in case you guys want to scan, but if you do have these beauty boxes anyway, you can actually scan that just to see what these products are, how much they're worth, and how they are actually used. So the first thing that actually caught my eye was this bad boy. This is the Brushworks massaging brush. Now, I've already opened it to find out what it is. I think I've already got one of these before in my advent calendars, not last year but the following year. Now, if you don't know what these are absolutely incredible. These are the most incredible things you can ever find. Now, in the showers, once you're scrubbing your shampoo and your hair and your conditioner, sometimes you can't actually get it right into your scalp. So that is where these come in handy. So you pop your fingers like that and you just literally scrub in your hair and massage the shampoo and the conditioner right into your scalp. So you know it can actually get in there. It's not hard, it's not hard whatsoever. They're just like little plastic silicone brushes, so you can just scrub around your head and massage your shampoo and conditioner right into your scalp. Next product is this. So this is the coconut and fig hair mask with coconut oil and mamur butter. Sorry if I've said that wrong. And this is from the Style Dry brand. I've never even heard of the brand, but all I saw was coconut, and as you guys know, I love a good coconut smell. Now this actually has a plastic thing on, so I can't actually open it. Oh my god, the only thing you can smell is the coconut, and it smells insane. Oh my god, I wish I wasn't going to work now later on. I wish I was doing my hair instead. But yeah, you got this beautiful coconut and fig hair mask. I love a good hair mask. I don't know about any of you guys, but I love a good hair mask. Rubbing it into my scalp before I shampoo and conditioner. I love a good hem, especially coconut ones. Then we have a Molten Brown product. Now, I love all their products, I really do. They smell insane. This one's called the Orange and Bergamot Bath and Shower Gel. Now, I used to have the blue one, the pink one, I think the green one, I'm not too sure. It smells nice. It smells more orangey. Oh, well, obviously because it's orange and bergamot. But yeah, I love the Malt Brown products. I think they look quite cute as well. Lovely gift sets for people as well, for like birthdays and Christmases. Yeah, they look so beautiful. And if you pop them on like a shelf or a unit, they look so luxurious as well. And I think they are beautiful. Then we have a This Works product. This is called the Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum. This Works Serum 2% hyaluronic. I have absolutely loads of serums. I don't think I need any more. So it is, you can never have enough serums or any makeup or anything else. So yeah, this is probably going to come in very, very handy as well. Then the last two products are, this is the Lano Lips, lip balm, and it's the strawberry flavour lip balm. You only used this brand once, and then I kind of left the lid off by accident and it kind of went off. But yeah, loads of people are raving about these Lano Lips lip balms, so yeah, I got to give that a go and I cannot wait. Then the last thing in this month's box is this beautiful little mini little thing, and this is the Lumini Hydrogel Eye Mask Genia. Oh, sorry, I can't say that properly, I really can't. It's like Swatchcoft. It's really hard word to say, but yeah, I've got that brand in a eye gel as well, which I've never used before, but I think I might actually try this out. I might smell it actually, see what it smells like. Oh, it's lovely blue. Oh, that smells beautiful. It's a blue gel. I hope you guys can actually see that. It's like a blue gel. Oh, and it smells absolutely lovely. Well, now I've opened it, I've got to use that. I can't put the lid back on now. Yeah, you've got to be careful about the water gels because they do go off as soon as you open it. It does actually say, yeah, soon's open to 12 months. So I've got until December to actually use this, but it does smell incredible. This is all the products from this month's box. I absolutely love this month's box. It's so beautiful. You've got things for your hair, things for your lips, your eyes, your body, absolutely everything. And normally you only get 5 products, but you've got 6 products in this month's box. That is going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Everything about Look Fantastic Beauty Box will be in the description box below for you guys as always. I absolutely love these boxes, I really, really do. I did have a comment either on Look Fantastic or the glossy boxes about keeping the actual boxes itself. You can actually keep the boxes, but I don't actually keep the boxes themselves because I had so many and my drawers are not that deep, so I could only fit about 2, maybe 3 at a push. It depends on the deep of the drawers. So I could only fit about 2 or 3 in each drawers, and because I had so many, I didn't know where to put them all. So in the end, I had to get rid of them all. But yeah, you're totally right. If you are watching this video and you did leave that comment, you're totally right. You can actually use these beauty boxes for like storages and stuff as well, organisations as well. They do fit in the Alex 9 drawers and the Alex 5 drawers. Sorry, I've got to keep an eye on because we've got the ALEXA. Every time you say that kind of name, she goes off. But yeah, they do fit in the drawers perfectly. The only thing they don't fit in is the salon trolleys. But yeah, I tend to get rid of them because I'm gonna have all acrylics in my drawers. We're doing this whole bedroom anyway, so there's no need for any of the boxes. but you can actually keep the boxes for anything. You can put them for like makeup storages, you can use them for like travel. If you're going away and you don't have a makeup bag, you can pop them in them boxes. So yeah, they do come in very, very handy, but they just don't come in handy for me, I'm afraid, so I have to get rid of them. But if I end up having loads of makeup and stuff to get rid of when I go through everything, I might keep a couple to do like a little makeup box giveaway sort of thing, but I don't know when I'm going to do that until obviously I'll go through everything, which will be in a few videos time. But yeah, I'm so excited to actually do this room up and do more organisation videos. There's going to be loads of parts for this video as well. So yeah, everything you need to know about Look Fantastic Beauty Box will be in the description box below for you guys, like I said. Yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.